Let's scrape Instamart step by step. First, make sure you have Selenium installed. Then, import essential modules. From Selenium, WebDriver is used to launch and control a browser. By is a locator strategy to find elements on the page. Keys simulates keyboard interactions like pressing enter. Sleep from the time module pauses execution. And finally, the JSON module has the method dump, which lets us write structured data to a file. To open Instamart, we call WebDriver.Chrome, a constructor method that launches a Chrome browser instance. Then we use the get method to load the Instamart URL. The sleep method gives the page time to render. Before interacting with any element, we need to use the browser's developer tools to get the attributes, such as class, ID, data tested, etc. To select an element, we use find element from Selenium. Then the click method simulates a user click. To enter text, we use send keys, here passing in the string Bangalore. These methods together mimic user interaction with the site. Selenium's methods mirror the way a real person would click through Instamart. Again, find element is used to locate the confirm button, and click confirms the location. Sometimes methods like click won't work, such as with Instamart's recheck address tooltip. In that case, we use the method execute script, which runs JavaScript directly inside the page. This allows us to dismiss the tooltip. To start a product search, we use find element once again, this time on the search bar. Then click activates it. With send keys, we enter a keyword like bread, and then add keys.enter to simulate pressing enter. To capture multiple items, we switch to find elements. Unlike find element, this method returns a list of all matching elements. We loop over these product containers, call the text property, and then use split to break their content into details. Each set of details is stored in a dictionary and appended to our list of products. Finally, the open function with write mode prepares a JSON file. Then the method JSON.dump saves our product list into the file with indentation for readability. By combining methods like find element, click, send keys, execute script, and JSON.dump, we've built a scraper that interacts with Instamart almost exactly like a human user would.